Forget the political headlines. Moscow's about soulful food, a delicious mix of hearty Russian traditions and European elegance. Generations of grandmothers stirring pots, perfecting recipes passed down through centuries. This ain't about fancy, experimental cuisine, it's about honest-to-goodness flavors that warm you from the inside out. Imagine stepping out into the crisp Moscow air, your breath misting in the cold. You're craving something warm, something that speaks to your soul. You duck into a local eatery, the air thick with the aroma of simmering meats, tangy spices, and freshly baked bread. That, my friends, is the essence of Moscow's culinary scene. This is a city where food is more than just sustenance, it's an experience. From steaming bowls of borscht to delicate honey-infused layers of Medovik cake, Moscow's culinary offerings are a testament to the city's rich history and cultural tapestry. So, loosen your belt, grab a fork, and get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Let's talk about borscht, the crimson king of Russian soups. This ain't your grandma's dainty broth. This is a powerhouse of flavor, a vibrant beet-based soup that's as hearty as it is delicious. Deep red broth, almost purple, simmered for hours with tender chunks of beef, earthy beets, sweet carrots, and a touch of tangy sauerkraut. Each spoonful is an explosion of flavor, sweet, sour, savory, all playing a delicious tango on your palate. And don't even get me started on that dollop of sour cream on top. It adds a cool, creamy contrast that brings the whole dish together. Borscht is a true testament to Russian hospitality, a dish that warms you from the inside out and leaves you feeling completely satisfied. It's the kind of food that sticks to your ribs, perfect for those chilly Moscow evenings. Trust me, one bowl of this and you'll understand why it's considered a national treasure. Next up, we've got pelmeni, those adorable little dumplings that are basically edible love letters to Russian comfort food. Imagine tender, bite-sized parcels of dough filled with savory minced meat and spices. They're like little flavor bombs just waiting to explode in your mouth. You can have them boiled, steamed, or pan-fried, each method imparting a unique texture and taste. Dip them in sour cream, vinegar, or just go for it and savor the pure, unadulterated flavor. Pelmeni are the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a quick lunch, a satisfying dinner, or a late-night snack. They're also a testament to Russian ingenuity, simple ingredients transformed into something truly special. Section 4, Blini, a versatile canvas for taste. Now let's talk about blini, the thin, crepe-like pancakes that are a blank canvas for culinary creativity. These delicate wonders are traditionally made with buckwheat flour, giving them a slightly nutty, earthy flavor, but the real fun begins with the toppings. Sweet or savory, the possibilities are endless. Go classic with sour cream and caviar, the salty pop of the fish roe a luxurious counterpoint to the creamy tang, or indulge your sweet tooth with a dollop of jam, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Blini are a testament to the versatility of Russian cuisine, a simple dish that can be dressed up or down for any occasion. Whether you're enjoying them as a celebratory breakfast or a light and flavorful dinner, blini are sure to please. Section 5, Medovik, a sweet slice of history. Time for dessert, and we're going all out with Medovik, a cake that's as rich in history as it is in flavor. This multi-layered masterpiece is a labor of love with thin, delicate layers of honey-infused cake sandwiched together with creamy, tangy sour cream frosting. Each bite is a symphony of textures and tastes, the slight crunch of the cake, the smooth creaminess of the frosting, and the lingering sweetness of honey. It's the kind of dessert that makes you close your eyes and savor every moment. Medovik is more than just a cake. It's a symbol of Russian tradition, often served at special occasions and family gatherings. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life: good company, good conversation, and a slice of something truly special. Section 6, Danilovsky Market, a feast for the senses. No culinary journey through Moscow is complete without a visit to Danilovsky Market, a vibrant, bustling hub of food and culture. This is where locals and tourists alike come to experience the true flavors of Russia. Imagine rows upon rows of colorful stalls overflowing with fresh produce, cured meats, fragrant cheeses, and freshly baked bread. The air is thick with the aroma of spices, herbs, and sizzling meats, a sensory overload that will leave you drooling. You can sample traditional Russian pickles, sip on kvass, a fermented bread drink, or indulge in a piping hot bowl of borscht. It's a feast for the senses, and the perfect place to immerse yourself in the heart of Moscow's culinary scene. So there you have it, a glimpse into the heart and soul of Moscow's culinary scene. From hearty soups to delicate pastries, from bustling markets to cozy eateries, this city is a foodie's paradise waiting to be explored. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your appetite, and get ready to experience the magic of Moscow, one delicious bite at a time.